Here is our remote for our pool hacker. Let's turn it on. You guys ready? I'm gonna go with, let's go red. Let's go orange. Let's go yellow. Let's go green. Let's go blue. Let's go deeper blue. Let's go purple. Look at that. Does that look great or what? I'm gonna come over on this other side so you guys can see. So here it is. Here's red. Oh, it's not hitting it from over here, is it? Maybe I gotta get a little closer. Let's come here. Let's try it. Nope. 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 Let's get right here. So if I get close to it, it should change. Yeah, there we go. So if you get too far away, it does not work. So just know that. And let's go to blue. And it's doing all of them. See, I got one over here. So if I change this here, watch. So it goes red, right? Let's go blue. It goes blue. I come over here. Go blue. But yeah, so you have to play with it a little bit. But it's working great, don't you guys think? Check it out. It's awesome. Bam, Bob's your uncle.